Hi, I'm Chris. And today I'm going to show you how to get your interlock patio from looking like this to looking like this. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to prepare and finish your interlock surface using our Seal King paving stone sealer and polymeric sand. In order to do this correctly, you'll need these essential tools and equipment: a pressure washer, goggles and rubber gloves, a broom, a paint roller, and a pump sprayer. Most of these items can be found at your local hardware or home improvement center. Before applying the sealer, it's a good idea to remove any imperfections such as ground in dirt, rust, oil stains, weeds, or that dull whitish haze known as efflorescence. It's imperative that you clean your paving stone prior to applying the sealer, because once you've applied the sealer, the stains will be much more evident. And trust me, you don't want that. For more information on Seal King's paving stone cleaners, just go to sealking.ca and find the cleaner best suited for your job. Okay, so we've inspected the area for both dirt and stains. Now we're ready to power wash. Power washing serves two main purposes. One is to help remove any dirt and grime, and two is remove any dried up polymeric sand from in between the joints. Start at your highest point on your surface and work your way through. Okay, so now that the surface area is dry, we're ready to sweep in our polymeric sand. Before we begin, just take a quick look around the patio and brush away any leaves or dirt. This step is so simple. Just pour a generous amount of sand across the surface and sweep it in. Just make sure the sand gets deep into those joints. All right, now that our area is dry and clean and we swept in our polymeric sand, now we're ready to spray the area with a light mist of water to activate and harden the sand. To do this, just grab your power washer, change the setting to light mist, and begin spraying. All it needs is a light mist of water. You don't need to overdo it, just enough to change its color will be perfect. We've prepped the surface, and we've filled the joints with new polymeric sand, and now we're ready to apply the sealer. To achieve the maximum effectiveness of the sealer, you're going to want to make sure that the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. We're going to pop open the cap here and begin pouring it into the sprayer. Put in about 3/4 so we leave some room to get a good pressure seal. Then, close and fasten the cap and begin pumping. When the sprayer is pressurized, you'll notice it's not that easy to pump anymore. That means you're ready to start spraying. Here's a little tip before you begin spraying. Cover any plants or flowers with cardboard to avoid any overspray. I've got my rubber gloves, I've got my goggles, and now I'm ready to start sealing. Usually I like to test the sealer out in an inconspicuous area using a roller just to make sure that I'm happy with that finish. Perfect. I like the way that looks. Let's get started. Now don't forget, you're going to need to wait at least 24 to 48 hours for the area to dry in order for the sealer to work properly. Start with the corners and work your way out. Apply the sealer evenly using a pendulum motion. It's recommended to apply 2 coats in the opposite direction. This ensures an even finish and optimizes coverage. So now we've sealed the entire patio. Now we're going to wait 8 hours for it to fully cure. But once it's fully cured and dried, the only thing that's left to do is to bring back out that patio furniture, start that barbecue, and enjoy your summer.